Hey everyone, this is Tyler with Overland Adventures Off-Road. Today we're going to be talking about a quick tire deflator. This specific one is the Pro Ready brand, which I purchased off of Amazon, no affiliation. These are really important for off-roading, guys. They'll speed up the process of deflating your tires before you enter the rougher terrain of mud or, dirt, gravel roads, sand. So we're going to do it here on my spare tire that I had laying out. This is a 255/75/17, which equates to about a 32-inch tire. We're going to see how long it takes to go from about 33 psi down to around 15 psi. Okay. I'm going to show you guys the pressure that we currently have in this spare tire. So we are currently at right around 33. It's reading 33.1, 33.2. So normal road pressure that I run personally. So now I'm going to show you guys how this tool works. So here it is. Here's the gauge. It's a glow-in-the-dark face, which is always nice, and you got a little release valve to reset the pressure. So all you simply do is set the tool on there like such. You thread the main portion on this lower knob, get it nice and snug. Okay, now this part you're going to remove counterclockwise, and that's what's going to pull actually the valve core out. So I push down normally with my thumb, and I just twist. And it takes a little bit of time. Finagling. Sometimes they don't come out as easy. Some come out easy, sometimes they take a little, encouragement. There we go, that should be out. Nope. And you'll know when it's out when you release that piece. The air will come out pretty fast. So as you can see, it's reading the PSI right around, this one's off a little, it's reading 34. So the gauge is off by a little bit, keep that in mind. Alrighty, so we got it set. So it reads the pressure when this piece right here that actually has the hose on it is down. And all you're going to do, now that you have that up, see how this rod pushed up? When you lift up on the big bottom piece right here, it's going to let all the air out. So we're going to do a little time. I have a clock over here. And we're going to see how long it takes. So that's 20 seconds right there. We're already down to almost 20. There we are, we're right down to 15. That was right on around 40 seconds, guys. So 15 psi up to, or 33 psi down to 15 in around 40 seconds is pretty quick. And then all you do is, as you saw, I push down on this, rethread that valve core in, and it'll get nice and snug. And then I'm simply going to remove the tire deflator using this, I guess would be the middle one. And there you have it. So there you have it, folks. As you see, the tire deflator was able to knock this 32-inch tire from 33 psi down to 15 in a matter of 40 seconds. Saves a lot of time on the trails, especially if you're doing a lot of times where you're deflating and then you got to reinflate and then hit pavement and then you go back on the trails. It saves a lot of time having one of these. If you off-road a lot, do overlanding, they're a great investment. For the price, they're cheap and they work.